Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce you to a highly efficient and practical tiger shearing machine. Now, let's take a look at its actual working process. The worker is placing the metal material to be cut on the workbench. The operation is very convenient. The worker just needs to press the button gently, and the machine starts to work. First, the material pressing device will descend to firmly press the metal material. Look at this sharp shearing blade. It can easily cut through various metal materials. Look at this sharp shearing blade. It can easily cut through various metal materials. This tiger shearing machine can not only cut round steel, but also easily handle various shaped steel, such as square steel, channel steel, angle steel, and so on, as well as metal structural parts of different materials.